Hey everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to install and uninstall ROS Noetic in Ubuntu 20.04. We will use a single line of command to install ROS. You can first go to the link mentioned in the description below. You will get a GitHub page of the ROS installation script. Just copy paste the command mentioned in the readme section in the terminal to install and uninstall ROS. Let's see how the installation command works. After pasting the command, you have to enter your root password and you have to wait for few minutes for adding keys and updating Ubuntu packages. After updating the ROS package list, the script will ask you which kind of installation you prefer. You can go with the default installation, which is the ROS desktop full installation. The installation will take around 20 minutes and it will depend on your network connectivity. Wait for the installation to complete, and after completing the installation you can try the commands that is shown in the video to test the ROS installation. To uninstall ROS, you can use the second command mentioned in the readme section. Just paste the command in the terminal and it will take around few minutes to complete the uninstallation. Wait the uninstallation to complete, and after uninstalling ROS, remove the line for sourcing the ROS environment in the bash.rc file. Thanks for watching.